Neighbours. Everybody probably knows their neighbours for the first time since 1985 when Neighbours first went on air. Hello and welcome to the Sunday Sessions as part of Live from Australia, brought to you by Sounds Australia and Tourism Australia. I'm going to take this sign. Firstly, I would like to acknowledge the Wurramara people of the Kulin Nation, the land in which I'm standing today. I'd like to pay my respects to elders past and present, and to all the elders past and present and emerging across the country as this is a national broadcast. Hey there, my name's Glennie G and I'm the export music producer for Sounds Australia, the National Music Export Initiative. In the old world, I got to travel around the globe promoting all the amazing Australian artists that were touring overseas and performing as part of showcase conferences. That can't happen now. None of us are touring, none of us are getting on planes. So what I'm here to do today is to guide you through and to introduce you to some of the artists that we're going to be performing as part of our events internationally. We're going to go to where they are now, and they're going to introduce us to some of the places that they would love you to visit when we're all unlocked from this thing. None of us are going to be able to go overseas for some period of time. So why don't we just travel locally? I'm here with my neighbours right now. I literally live around the corner at the moment with my parents in ISO. So in what we hope is going to be the first of many of these Sunday sessions, tonight we're going to take you to Mollymook, down on the southern coast of New South Wales, and we're also going to head down to Tasmania. Now let's not forget that not that long ago here in Australia, there were devastating bushfires that absolutely ravaged a whole bunch of communities. The first artist we've got tonight comes from one of those devastated areas. She's from Forster originally, a great place to go, and now she's living in Mollymook. She's a 3-time ARIA-nominated artist. She has produced her own festival, and she's an absolute powerhouse behind the scenes in the Australian music industry. She's here to play you 3 songs and to show you around her town. Please make her feel very welcome, Jack River.
Hey, I'm Jack River and I'm joining you from the New South Wales South Coast in Australia. So today my band and I are going to play you a few songs on the back of a truck, and I'm also going to show you some of the places I love in the place I live. I live on the New South Wales South Coast. I've been here for a couple of years now and I've fallen in love with its natural beauty and the people that live here. So why is this place so special to me? I moved here a couple of years ago after touring was getting really hectic, and I wanted to go back to somewhere close to the ocean and somewhere with a beautiful community. So here on the South Coast there are like unlimited beaches and mountain hikes, and there are so many great people that care about the natural environment and they care about each other. One of my favourite spots is Narrawalli Beach. It's just north of Ulladulla. I go there most mornings with my dog Blue, and I don't know, it's beautiful and open and wild, and walking on the beach in the morning is just the most beautiful way to start the day. If you've woken up with any stresses, they can be quickly cleared. It's so easy to get carried away with what's going on the net or in the news, and going for a nice slow walk just brings everything back into focus. Now I'm going to play my song Fool's Gold. Hey, I'm Jack River. I'd like to acknowledge that we're on Yuin land today and pay my respects to elders past, present and emerging. Welcome to the Barn on the Ridge truck stage. Woohoo!
How could you ever love a girl like me? I took you to the end of my street so you could see my bones were cut with a promise to you. Our stars came in a packet of 2. She's walking up to you. She's dying to be by your side. She's walking up to you. She's dying to be by your side. on the eyes, fool's gold. How many times do I have to realize? Fool's gold, so bright, fooling everyone inside. Fool's gold. How many times do I have to realize that I won't bend to you? No, I don't know how to. Can you handle a girl like her? Oh, she is bolder than you think. Can you love a girl like me? Well, she is running through your dreams, dragged through the midnight and her ignite. She's walking up to you. She's dying to be by your side. She's walking up to you. She's dying to be by your side. Fool's gold is shining in the night, so easy on the eyes. Fool's gold. How many times do I have to realize? Fool's gold, so bright, fooling everyone inside. Fool's gold. How many times do I have to realize? She's walking up to you. She's dying to be by your side. She's walking through gold, shining in the night, so easy on the eyes. Fool's gold. How many times do I have to realize? Fool's gold, so bright, fooling everyone inside. Fool's gold. How many times do I have to realize?
Thank you very much. In the country, instead of going to the club or whatever, you just go to the beach car park and get a coffee. The Halloween Caravan sits at the end of the beach, and it's a beautiful kind of unofficial meeting spot for so many people that live in the area. It's run by some lovely young people, and I guess it's kind of iconic now. Where do I feel most inspired? I think inspiration comes every day in different forms, but I know that I'll always be inspired if I just get outside and go for a walk. I think it's pretty incredible the way that we gather around the landscape that we're living in, whether it's in far west New South Wales or up north in Darwin or on the east coast here. We all seem quite defined by the places that we live in, and I know that that's an international thing, but I think we especially love, the places we live in. And next I'm going to play you Confess.
Stronger that night, I wanted to go low. The rain was coming down and nobody could leave. We stayed around. I said things I knew you'd like, Alaska and the bears you knew you couldn't fight, swimming underneath the northern lights. You didn't know it, but he had you in the palm of my hand, the palm of my hand. And I confess I needed you there. And I've gone through every memory we shared tonight, and I don't have hike to the southern tip of Africa and put up all the fences that you like. But I can't sing you to sleep there. You're on your own there. You're on your own. And I didn't know it. I thought I had you in the palm of my hand. The palm of my hand. And I confess I needed you there. And I've gone through every memory we shared tonight, and I don't have the guts to carry on without you. When the storm breaks through, I'll be standing there, waiting for down love me in the avenue. It'll never be what you wanted to. Was it like this with her? Is it everything you ever dreamed of? And I thought I had you in the palm of my hand, the palm of my hand. And I confess I needed you there. And I've gone through every memory we shared tonight, and I don't have the guts to carry on without you. When the storm breaks through, I'll be standing there, waiting for you, waiting for you, waiting for you. Are you ready? Tell me when you wanna go. Are you ready? Tell me when you wanna go.
So one of the reasons that I really love this area and why I wanted to move here was the incredible community. It's a really small community, and they're also focused on the natural landscape they're surrounded by and doing their best to protect it. As so many of you would be aware, over summer some really insane bushfires ravaged through the south coast. It was so traumatic for our community and obviously our landscape, but slowly everything's regenerating. The environment and the people are kind of regenerating at the same time, which is quite wonderful. Someone who's really important to our South Coast community is Monica Mudge. She started Treading Lightly, and they were the first on the scenes to take food to people, to speak to people, and to lead the kind of movement, the environmental movement that is needed to regenerate the bushland. And the next song I'm going to play is Dark Star.
Touch me one time before you go. Love me like I'm so that you know. Will sing back the freckles on my face, light up everything's okay. On my dark side, baby, come and spin me round. My hot shot ticket to the edge of town. Dark side, baby, gonna spin around. Only loved up lover on the cocoa ground. Movie screens and neon dreams. You're the darkest star I've ever seen. Now this is a part where the credits start to roll and walk me out. I'm stumbling, I'm falling now. Dark star, baby, come and spin me round. Be my hot shot ticket to the edge of town. A dark star, baby, gonna spin around. Don't leave your loved up lover on the cocoa ground. past your house, I see all the things I never wanted to see. You and me, a memory in real love again. There's no stars in my eyes, I spent them all on loving you. You showed me everything I know. Oh, in the night you showed me everything I know. In my dark star, baby, come and spin me around. Be my hot shot, take it to the edge of town. A dark star, baby, gonna spin around. Don't leave your left up, lover on the cold, cold ground. Do you wanna go? 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 Yes, I wanna go.
Thank you so much for joining me on my little tour of the New South Wales South Coast and for listening to my songs. I hope you're safe wherever you are and that you're getting excited to travel as restrictions ease.
Thank you, Jack River. And because I have already seen the footage, I know it looked beautiful. And I cannot wait to get back into my old 1965 Ford F100 truck, drive up the highway and pop in and see some of those locations. All right, let's talk about Tasmania. Good gin, good vodka, exceptional whiskey, about 1 billion different types of apples and pears. There's some of the greatest scenery that you'll see anywhere in the world. And it's also where Emily Wurramara is currently residing. She's a proud Indigenous woman, originally from Groote Island, and then she moved to Brisbane, and now she's moved down south to just outside of Hobart. And today, she's going to take us around to some of the spots that she knows and loves that you might be able to go and visit when we're all out of this thing. Please make her feel very, very welcome right now, Emily Wurramara.
Hi everyone, how are you doing? My name is Emily Wurramara and welcome to Live from Oz. I'm going to be showing you around 3 of my favourite spots around Hobart, and I'm going to be singing some original songs too, so I can't wait to share that with you. Some of my best memories travelling around Australia would be just meeting new people and, wherever you go, you find bits of yourself, you lose bits of yourself. And that's really special. You're always growing and always changing. And I love seeing environment. I'm a very big tree person, so trees are beautiful. And there are so many different kind of trees around Australia. It's insane. I just like to acknowledge the traditional land where we're standing and pay my respects to elders, both past, present and future. And the ancestors that are joining us and have joined us with their beautiful presence throughout all these scenes. And thank you to you, Mob, for tuning in. Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining me. We were at the base of the beautiful Kunani Mountain amongst these beautiful, lush, green friends of mine. And this next song is called See You There. Underneath the coconut trees, underneath the starry, sunny breeze, I felt my heart, and it was complete. Down on the ocean shores, where the waves are full, they crash and wash away the footsteps I walked. But if you see me there, oh, don't be so scared,
come and say hello to me, hey. And if you see me there, oh, don't be so scared. We'll be fine. Trust in our world and yours and mine. Underneath the sunny day, where the palm trees gave shade, I watched and I waited for the sunset to gaze. Down where the shells are old, down where the sun beats on the sand, my feet were hot, but I could not move at all. And if you see me there, underneath the pearly skies, with the white oysters and the cockle shells, and if you see me there, with a feather in my hair, I'm not doing bad, I'm just here to say my life is great. 'Cause ever since the night I saw you camping, ever since the night I saw you happy, if you ever say my darling. And ever since the night I saw you, see you, ever since the night my heart was being cruel. I guess you couldn't mind, 'cause we're stuck in your world and mine. Do da do da do da do da dum, do da do do da do da 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 yo. And if you see me there, oh, don't be so scared. Come and say hello to me, hey. And if you see me there, with the flower in my hair, I'm not doing bad, I'm just here to say my life is great. No, I'm not doing bad, I'm just here to say my life, it's great. I feel most inspired when I'm writing music, when I'm around or doing things that are me. And, that could be walking in the park or going to the beach. Everything in everyday life inspires me in music all the time, because there's a heartbeat to life, and I believe that my inspiration is whatever heartbeat I hear around me. Hi everyone, how are you doing? My name is Emily Wurramara and welcome to Live from Oz. I'm coming to you from the beautiful Kanani here in Hobart. It's quite a spectacular view, and I'm really looking forward to singing this next song called Black Smoke for you. Black Smoke is a song that I wrote when I was on top of my mum's roof a while back, and it just talks about how peaceful you feel when you sing or when you come together with people and you connect with their souls. And for me, that's a very sacred connection, having that soulful connection. And sitting around the fire, which reminds me of home, which this place here reminds me a lot of Milyakbara, the place where I grew up on Biggerton Island up in Northern Territory. The way the rocks are shaped, they look like the rocks we climbed when we were young to get to these beautiful waterholes, and I love it here. It makes me feel at peace, and it makes me feel at home.
I'll be sleeping under stars tonight, not sure exactly where I'll be. Maybe underneath the pale moonlight, or maybe underneath that tree. Black smoke riding in the sky tonight. Everything'll be alright if you let go. Humans all gathered in the place tonight. Everything'll be alright if you let go. I'll be sleeping under stars tonight, not sure exactly where I'll be. Maybe underneath the pale moonlight, or maybe underneath that tree. Black smoke riding in the sky tonight. Everything'll be alright if you let go. Humans all gathered in the place tonight. Everything'll be alright if you let go. Tonight, everything'll be alright if you let go. Humans all gathered in the place tonight. Everything'll be alright if you let go. When I'm not on tour writing music, you can find me looking after my daughter. Being a mum, I love going to the beach. You know, the beach is always the best. I'm a bit of a lady blue myself, and I think that for me the beach is very special because I grew up on another island, and being on this island, it's just like, it's so similar in many ways. It reminds me a lot of my childhood, and you know, the main reason why I guess I moved down here to Tasmania from Brisbane, because I used to live in Brisbane, is just to start fresh and start new, and just to find and lose myself and get lost and live life. This song is called Carry Me Home, and it's a song that I wrote for my mum, on her first Mother's Day without my grandmother when I was 14. And I'm singing it here on this beautiful beach because this reminds me of my island home. And these waters are as what in between from carrying me home. We walked red blades, dust in my eyes, sun in the sky, and you on my mind. Oh, longing for a place to call home. Soft pearly white sand to call my own on my island home. She's so pretty, so blue, and all the trees are greener there too on my island home. The spirit's still strong, and I will ask the wind to carry me back to my home. La 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 la. The sun and the moon, she follow me all wherever I go, wherever I'll be. Sunrise and sunsets, they're never the same, 'cause there are different people around the world sharing my gaze on my island home. She's so pretty, so blue, and all the trees are greener there too on my island home. The spirit's still strong, and I will ask the wind to carry me home back to my home. La 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 la. She'll carry me home. La 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 la. She'll carry me home. Thank you so much for tuning in to Live from Oz. My name is Emily Wurramara, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your time, day, night, morning, wherever you are in the world, and take care.
As the sun sets on another ISO day here in Australia in the beautifully manicured garden that I've put together for my parents, I just want to say thanks. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Emily Wurramara for showing us around her Tasmania and for playing us some songs, and to Jack River for showing us around Mollymook and also playing us a bunch of songs. Thanks to Tourism Australia for allowing us to present some of the artists that would normally be playing on the international stages with us. It's a great opportunity for us to present to you in a very kind of weird, isolated way, what we would normally do. If you liked it, let us know, and maybe we can take you to visit some of your favourite artists and where they live and where they would like to show you around. But for now, I'm going to go make Mum and Dad tea. So be safe, keep your handsies clean, and we'll hopefully see you very, very soon. Ciao for now. I'm coming, Mum, I'm coming.